know about jail? Oh, you would love jail.
Why would I love jail?
Because you would love it.
It's September 7th, 2010. Teryn's here!
Hi. I got muffins.
Oh, boy. Muffins! Watching The Hangover.
Okay.
Yay. Teryn likes cats. Like this cat. Now, if this doesn't get me a lot of views, then I don't know what will.
You're so cute.
You hear him purring.
Oh, you're so adorable.
Boom! That one is solid and black as night. Salem witch cat. Not only are we starting this day off at 8 o'clock in the morning with a nice bag of heaping McDonald's, we also got The Office, Season 6. Awesome. Let's go watch some bloopers on that. For the second day in a row, I looked up. The skies still gray and cloudy. The weather had been very different for the second day in a row. Ominous and bleak, although some of us tried to remain positive, keeping morale up. I encouraged it. However, the large group that we had been traveling with were slaughtered in a wildfire. We're the only two that remain. And those guys. For this weather, this is no Mary Poppins weather. Something is about to happen. 2012 grows nearer, my friends. 2012 grows nearer. And if ye shall see this, then I warn ye. Beware and be safe. And wear a sweatshirt at all times. Because the cool air might tear the flesh off your very muscles and bones.
Ready?
I love you.
Love you too. Hi.
I stared at the house. I knew he was in there, in the basement. I knew that it was where they had held several of us before. I didn't want to linger around much longer, so I grabbed her by the hand and I took her back.